Ever dreamed of running a successful YouTube channel without showing your face? Imagine creating a YouTube channel where your ideas shine without ever stepping in front of a camera. Today, we're diving deep into how AI tools can be your secret arsenal in crafting a successful faceless YouTube channel. Get ready to transform your digital presence. Why go faceless, you ask? Beyond the allure of anonymity, faceless channels let the content speak for itself, from mysterious story narrations to insightful educational videos. Plus, it opens up a creative playground without the need for personal exposure. Your journey begins with the right niche. With ChatGPT, brainstorming session becomes a breeze. Ask it to generate ideas based on current trends or timeless interests. Whether it's the lore of unsolved mysteries, the intrigue of tech reviews, or the allure of animated storytelling, the perfect niche awaits you. Crafting compelling scripts is key. That's where ChatGPT comes in. It can help you structure your videos, write engaging content, and even suggest edits to make your scripts more captivating. It's like having a co-writer, always ready to assist. Next, bring your scripts to life with stunning visuals. DALL-E and Midjourney are your go-tos for creating breathtaking images and animations. From detailed backgrounds to unique character designs, these AI tools can visualize virtually anything you imagine. Now, for the voice that will carry your message. 11 Labs offers a revolutionary approach to creating realistic, engaging voiceovers. Choose a voice that matches your channel's tone and let AI do the talking. Your content's voice can now be as unique as its visual style. Editing is where everything comes together, and CapCut makes this process intuitive and efficient. From seamless cuts to dynamic transitions, CapCut provides all the tools you need to turn your content into polished, professional-looking videos. With your script written, visuals crafted, and voiceover ready, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Use CapCut to blend your AI-generated assets into a cohesive video that tells a story, educates, entertains, or all three. You're not just creating a faceless YouTube channel, you're embracing the future of content creation. With tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E, Midjourney, 11 Labs, and CapCut, the possibilities are endless. What was once a dream is now within reach. Now it's your turn. Dive into the world of AI-driven content creation and start building your faceless YouTube channel today. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the cutting edge of content creation. If you're excited to start your faceless YouTube channel with the help of AI, hit the like button, share this video with aspiring creators, and subscribe for more insights and tutorials. Your future as a content creator starts now.